Why do I feel like I need to stretch after I hit the record button? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allison. If you are new, welcome back to round 3-ish of my little makeup inventory series. I hope you are enjoying that I'm putting in little smaller videos and not like an hour and 45-minute conspiracy theory type video. So today what I'm going to cover is setting sprays, all of my pencil / crayons, whether it be for eyes, face, lip, eyeliners, and concealer. I realized after I did my first 2 rounds I went through face products and powder products and didn't even mention concealers, so without further ado, let's get started with setting sprays. First up to the plate, this is something that everyone and their mama jamma has, and I know it's getting low, but don't worry. I was digging trying to make sure I didn't miss anything, and these 2 things are actually sitting like towards the back. I figure I'd show them to you. One is the Caudalie grape water, and the other one is just a bottle of Evian water. It's alright, it's just fucking water. Oh, this I've got in my, I felt the need to take the cap off. This is in my project pan. It's, you see how much I have left? That touch of dewy whatever. Okay, this is by Julie Hewitt, Los Angeles, who is a delightful human being. This is just rose water. You can literally see. There's just a little bit left. This is the best. This, I believe I got this in my lucky bag last year. It's Scandinavia, the makeup finishing spray, the Bridal, fine mist, oil-free, paraben-free. I put off using this for a while and I don't know why, but this is amazing. I like using this for days where I want shit to last. Like I'll usually like soak and melt everything together and then I'll go back and like really like freeze frame with this. This is good. So I have this little guy here. Then I have these 2 illuminating ones that have got to be shooken up. First is the illuminating setting spray from Cover Effects that I'm sure I got in a BoxyCharm. And then the other is the iconic London, the really pretty swirly, mesmerizing Prep Set Glow. This is beautiful too. 7, 8, 9 total. Boom, that was easy. I'm looking around to make sure I'm not forgetting anything, but like this is the one brow pencil product that I have. Boom. These are all the lip pencils. Okay, there's all the colors of the lip pencils that I have. Some from Kylie, some from Melt, some from Urban Decay, and Julie Hewitt. 7 lip pencils. Do I even use lip pencils ever? Okay, on to eye pencils, and this is like eye kohls, eye crayons, all that kind of crap. Okay. These are all of the eye pencils, and then I have eye crayons. So I have 4 eye crayons, one of which this is a nude stick, so it's technically like an eyeshadow and a stick, but to me it's a crayon and I don't want to put this with like single shadows when we come to that category later. The rest are the jumbo eye pencils. Ooh, you're trying to fly out my hand. So 4 eye crayons there, and I mean these guys are from my special effects bag, which I was actually thinking about doing a full inventory of that stuff. Maybe the stuff that I don't count here because, you know, where are we? And that's where a lot of my liquid eyeliners are going to come from too. So in pencils, these are both by Graftobian. They're both eye safe. It's a red and a black pencil. And then I have 1, 2, 6 frickin' pencils from Melt. Yep. 3 by Marc Jacobs. 2 of these are shimmery. One of them is matte. This is a kohl pencil by Hourglass, the little like really thin guy. The Givenchy in this bright ass green. The Urban Decay in Chaos, which is a classic. And then I've had this for 100 years and I've sharpened it. It's still 4 feet long by Wet n Wild. You can't even see what it says on here anymore. Anyways, I used to use this for the waterline. It's a little too bright now. I've moved on to this. 13, 14, 15 eye pencils. Damn. Okay, now let's go with liners. So I have 5 little pots to show you. Nope. 3 Inglot pots, black. I have white. This one's a champagne color. I love this for like a cut crease. So I can just use that instead of like trying to do 50 layers and my eyes don't feel like a crusty layer of, you know, shit. These 2 guys from Suva Beauty, which are water activated, and this one's UV in the dark. Hold up. Anything else do that? the tattoo liner, which I keep it face down, so I guess that's why it's trying to live forever with its vampire status. I have 2 from Urban Decay. These 4, these are from my special effects bag, and it's just a solid white and then pink, purple, and dark red. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 liners total. Hello, Editing Allison here. I just want to let you know. Oh, that hurt. Right in front of me, literally right in front of me, I have an additional 2 more eyeliners that I forgot. One by Pat McGrath, one by Fenty. So what was that? 12, 13, 14 total. Now let me try to find all the concealer I have. I've gotten rid of a lot, so that's why I feel like I have a lot more than I do. I could only find 6 concealers, and I'm pretty sure this is it. I think at one point I had like 18 concealers. Not joking. Okay. This is crazy. This is Lancome, whatever that says, in light buff. This is actually fairly recent because I've never tried this ever, the Age Rewind. The Studio Fix Perfecting Stick, as well as the newer water weight concealer, so 2 by MAC. This is Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. Okay, lastly, this is my Project Pan. This is the KKW concealer. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this 3rd installment of my makeup inventory, and stay tuned for my next video, and don't forget to look down below and watch the previous 3 if you have not yet. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!